Hey guys, welcome back to our Oyaki experiment. Last time, we found that there was a difference between Japanese and American all-purpose flour, difference being 9% protein and 11.7% protein content. Because we couldn't find anything close to Japanese all-purpose flour, in the States that would probably be pastry flour, so we ran an experiment using what we could find, which was essentially just all-purpose and cake flour. And we ran two side by side and compared them. Neither of them really came out the way we wanted it, although all-purpose flour did win out. So this time we decided we would try to make our own pastry flour by combining all-purpose and cake flour, and then hopefully that would get us closer to the 9% protein content. And then we'll see if we can make it a lot closer to the original Japanese Oyaki recipe. This time, we'll also be using ground beef hamburger filling and red bean paste, but we have made our own red bean paste, a video linked somewhere here and in the description, so that should definitely bump up our taste and Oyaki experiment. So let's get in the kitchen.
To make oyaki, you'll need all-purpose flour, cake flour, salt, sesame oil, water, and whatever you want for your fillings. Start by mixing both flours and salt in a large bowl. Then separately, combine your sesame oil and water and then pour into your dry ingredients in 3 phases. This just makes it easier to combine. Once the dough starts to take shape, give it a quick knead and get it into a smooth ball. Cover it and set it aside to rest for at least 30 minutes. You can take this time to cook or prepare your fillings. When the dough is ready, go ahead and place it on a floured surface and roll it out into a log about 12 inches long. Divide into 6 pieces and then shape those pieces into small balls. Then give those a little dust and set them to the side. Don't worry if they don't come out perfectly even. Then oil your pan and oil your hands to get ready to work the dough. You're going to flatten a dough ball in your palm and then take a spoonful or 2 of your filling to the center of this dough. Then make a C shape with the opposite hand and scoop up the edges of the dough, allowing the center to droop down between your fingers. Let gravity do all the work and simply guide the dough up and around your fillings until you can pinch the edges closed. Once sealed, gently flatten it and place it on your oiled pan. Then continue to fill and shape all the rest of the pieces. If any of your dough tears, just go ahead and pinch the edges and seal it shut. No big deal here. Once your pan is filled, put it on a medium heat, covered, and then flip when the undersides are golden brown. Add about 1/8 cup of water on the second side. When all the water is evaporated and both sides are brown, you're done. Let us know what you think of this recipe in the comments below. Stay tuned for the next experiment. Thanks for watching. Bye!